Are you traveling soon and need to stay connected? Today, we're comparing two popular eSIM options, Holafly and Airalo. Both Holafly and Airalo help you get data on your phone without needing a physical SIM card. They are great for travelers who want to avoid roaming charges. Let's start with Holafly. It offers eSIM data plans for many countries. You can easily activate it through their app. Holafly provides unlimited data in some regions, which is perfect for heavy users. Their customer support is also known to be friendly and helpful. Now, let's look at Airalo. Airalo has a wide variety of plans for different countries. They focus on affordability and flexibility. You can choose from different data packages based on your needs. Airalo also has a user friendly app that makes activation simple. So, what are the main differences? Holafly is better for those who want unlimited data in select areas. On the other hand, Airalo offers more options for budget conscious travelers. If you need flexibility, Airalo might be the way to go. When it comes to features, both tools have easy activation and decent coverage. Holafly shines with its unlimited plans, while Airalo stands out with its variety of packages. In terms of pricing, uh, Holafly tends to be a bit higher for unlimited plans. Airalo is usually more affordable, especially if you only need data for a short trip. So, who should choose what? If you are a heavy data user, go for Holafly. If you want budget friendly options and flexibility, Airalo is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel tips.